Hi, have you ever opened Power Query before and you saw this kind of error? Well, I will show you why this happens and how you can fix it. Now, this error is called DataSource.Error, and it happens because of two major reasons. There are lots of reasons, but these are the most popular one. Number one is if maybe, for example, you change the location of the raw file. Now, if you can see here, you can see the file path here, meaning that when this data set originally came, I stored it in my downloads folder here. So it's either maybe I changed the location of this folder. So if I come to my downloads here and see that the folder, raw data, it's not here. So all I need to do is go back to my Power Query here and just click on data source settings. I come to change source. I click on browse. So if you check, it's currently in my downloads. You can't locate the file here. So all I need to do is to locate where I moved the file, because the reason why this file is not here is probably because you moved the raw data set to another folder. So just go to the location where you moved folder, the raw data set to. So let's say, I think I moved mine to, I click on YouTube here, click on my folder, and I click on my projects. So I can see the data here. So the idea is if you have moved the raw data to a folder, after you are connected using Power Query, it will give this error. So you just need to locate it and reconnect it back. So, and then also this also happens, let's say maybe for example, you send this file to someone and they don't have the raw data. So they might have to download the raw data, or you might have to also send them the raw data. So that when because if they open Power Query, you see this particular error there. So if they don't have the raw data, they won't be able to connect this and transform the data. So they need to have that raw data in their system and also connect it like this. So once I get the data like this, I'll just click on open, and I click on OK, close, and then I'll just click on refresh. So the moment I click on refresh, you can see the data is back here. The other possible reason could be, let's say maybe for example, I decided to change the name of the folder. So let's say currently our folder is, our raw data is in my folder, my projects, it's here. So let's say for example, I decide to change this name. It's currently, the name of this folder is data dot. So let's say as little as adding, let me just say I removed that full stop, or maybe just give it space, or just change it like data new or something. If you change the name, it's going to give that error. So for example, let's say if I refresh this, you see that it's giving that error. Because why? It's saying that I cannot find this folder that is called data dot here, because I have changed the name. So all I need to do is the same thing, just come to data source settings here, go to change source and come to browse, and then you can see it here. This is the name I just renamed it to. Just click on it and just click open. So once you do that, just click OK and close, and then just refresh. So that way, so the idea is whatever you do to that folder, if you change the name, if you change the location, it's going to give that error.